I'm naked.
I'm completely butt-ass naked.
I'm naked.
I'm like naked.
There isn't a man behind me. These are my hands.
Please.
She's crazy.
I'm here to talk to you about...
Talk to the hand.
I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, Ruffalo, put your clothes on.
Put your clothes back on.
People ask me how I do it. I just bite off more than I can chew. Then I chew it.
What?
I pulled the pin out the grenade on purpose when I threw it. And even though I'm an action star, sometimes I'ma act bizarre. Get the f*** out of here.
Hi, I'm Britney Spears, and this is the Pooh Cocktail Supreme.
That's enough internet for me today.